Hello guys, welcome back. Ron here. Just wanted to do a quick recap of today because this is kind of highlights what I was pointing out on a video not too long ago. And if you focus here on the left bottom of the screen, you'll see where the tick started today. It's kind of like what I was explaining about how you can avoid potentially dangerous day where you're just going to get stopped out because it's going to probably be a choppy day. So you can see here on the 10-minute, it opened around 104. So like I said, below 250. And it pretty much stayed in that range for the first candle. It didn't hit either 500 or minus 500. And then the next candle as well, it just refused to touch those extremes. It wasn't until basically 30 to 40 minutes later at 10 o'clock, 30 minutes later, where it actually hit the minus 500. And it kind of looked like we were going to have a nice range or trend going lower as the market started to sell off. But as the tick kind of indicated, this is likely going to be a choppy day. I pointed that out to somebody right before the market got even started at 9:31, as you can see here. And this is what it looks like. I mean, look at this choppy day. So the morning, the better part of the morning, where most people actually make most of their money, was pretty much done for today. Right from the beginning, you could have seen that, and it could have helped you avoid making and or taking too many losses by making too many trades that were just probably not going to play out today. So for today, it probably looks like it's going to be an afternoon day where maybe at the end of the day we may have some opportunities. But as of right now, it was a choppy day. I mean, look at this. Look at this 5-period moving average. It's just moving sideways. This is the morning on the E-minis, pretty much open here, went lower, came back, and it's just trending here. And now it's starting to look like it wants to break out, but we'll see what happens. Same with everything else. And let's say you would have traded Amazon today. Let's take a look at what that looks like. I mean, it looks like both sides were getting hammered today. It just kept going up and down. So went down, came up, then came back down, and then now it's just moving sideways. Same thing with a lot of different other stocks. The only one that I see that made Netflix kind of moving sideways as well, going up, going down, going up, come back down. So again, had you keep paying attention to the tick, it pretty much tells you a story, and obviously it wins, or at least today it won. I liked when I saw the VIX right here on the top left, that it gapped up, and it looked like, hey man, this is a nice little gap compared to where it was pre-market, and maybe we'll continue to get a rally here, which will make the market sell off. But then again, look, down, up, down. So it's a pretty choppy day. Pretty much all stocks are pretty much following the same route. There's obviously things are subject to change. Some of them are actually moving, like BKNG went up and then it quickly sold off, continued to sell off. So that's a pretty nice little move here. So it didn't have as much chop. But then again, BKNG is not as correlated to the markets as some of the other ones that I've shown here, like Amazon and some of the other ones. So it's just food for thought, guys. That's pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to go ahead and share that again to kind of point that out. And again, nothing is set in stone. This doesn't mean that it's going to or is guaranteed that it's going to be a choppy day. It's just a warning sign to be cautious. Hey, you know what? This may be a choppy day today. Let me hold off, wait 10, 20, or 30 minutes. Let me see what happens. One thing I do is set my alerts at these extremes, and I want to see where we hit first and if we start to trend below that, or start hitting here. But obviously it hit it and then it quickly reversed back to the zero line, only to trend sideways at the zero line. So again, it's not a good look right now for either side. Honestly, I'm not comfortable taking positions on either side for today, just because of what we're seeing here. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.